Running a towing business is no easy task. Every day, you face high-risk situations, from accidents on the road to damage claims from customers. But here's the hard truth. Without the right insurance, one mistake could jeopardize everything you've worked for. That's why understanding your coverage is essential. Here's what every towing business needs to know. Liability insurance protects your business against property damage and injuries caused during operations. Medical payments coverage helps with medical bills for you and your passengers after an accident. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you when the other driver is uninsured or underinsured. For your vehicles, collision coverage takes care of accident-related repairs. Comprehensive coverage covers theft, fire, and other non-collision damages. But towing companies need specialized coverage to truly stay protected. On-hook coverage protects the vehicles you're towing if they're damaged during transport. Garage keepers. Coverage safeguards customers' vehicles stored in your care from theft to accidental damage. These policies aren't just optional. They're essential for high-risk operations like towing. And let's not forget workers' compensation insurance, required in most states to protect your employees if they're injured on the job. Regular policy reviews, compliance, and tailored adjustments can save your business time, money, and risk. At Westins Insurance Brokerage, we specialize in protecting trucking businesses just like yours. Our tailored A-rated insurance solutions offer comprehensive coverage that meets your unique needs, up to 20% savings compared to competitors, and no commissions, keeping more money in your pocket. Call us today at 714-465-4433 or visit www.westinsinsurances.com/premium-. Quote for a quick, no-obligation quote. Don't wait, secure your business today and drive with confidence.